What did Santa Claus bring you underneath the tree?
Wow.
Wow.
Is that your nay-nay?
Michaela get a nay-nay?
Get up on it. Okay.
Want Mama to help you get up?
I'm gonna move it. There. Now you go behind. Okay, you ride your nay-nay. There. Aww. That's from Grandma and Grandpa Zimmerman, Shuggy.
I think the battery's dead, honey.
You could put another battery in. Okay, try the other ear. Just push it once. Don't push it twice. Push it once.
Michaela.
Try the other ear.
Michaela. 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 Can you tell Grandma and Grandpa thank you? Grandma and Papa's? Yeah. Can you say thank you? Can you,
Okay, honey, the battery's about down.
can you tell Grandma and Papa's thank you? Hey.